channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Angela, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing again yet some affordable makeup. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below because I make new videos every Thursday and I don't want you guys to miss out. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to be reviewing makeup from a company called BeautyBigBang. I have reviewed their makeup in the past and I decided to do another review on their makeup products because I was really impressed with their products in the first video that I did, especially for the price. So if you are somebody who likes affordability and you love makeup but you don't want to spend tons of money on makeup, definitely keep watching because I'm going to be testing out 5 different products from them and I will be giving my honest thoughts, my honest review. I know that when I go to YouTube channels for reviews, I expect and hope that the reviews that I'm watching are honest, so please trust that I'm giving my honest opinion. I would never recommend anything that I don't think is a good product. Also, I did forget to mention that I do have a discount code that BeautyBigBang gave me, and I will put it in the description below if you want to get 10% off any of these products or any products from their website. So with that being said, let's go ahead and hop into this review. Alright guys, so I went ahead and applied most of my makeup because I'm only going to be trying out a couple products from BeautyBigBang today. But the first product that I'm going to be trying out is this Jelly Flower Lipstick / Lip Balm. Basically, it's supposed to be really hydrating to your lips, I believe. So the packaging is really cute. It's this like jelly purple type colored see-through case. According to the website, see, there's like a little flower in here, you guys. I tried literally for like 3 minutes straight to get my camera to focus on it and it just won't. But there is, if you can kind of see it, there's a little flower in there. It's really pretty. And according to the website, it is a real flower. And this lip balm has ingredients like vitamin E oil, I think Java oil, if that's how you say it, but it's supposed to be natural ingredients and really hydrating for your lips. So I figured that I would try this first while we do the rest of our makeup to keep my lips hydrated because I am going to be trying a mattifying lipstick from them later on in this video. And also the really cool thing about this lipstick is that it's supposed to change colors on your lips depending on the temperature of your lips. So that's pretty cool, and we can see throughout the process of this video if my lips change color at all. So let me go ahead and close you up so we can apply this. But it does feel really good on the lips, and I feel like it has changed color, or I don't know if maybe that's just my ring light or my viewfinder, but it feels like my lips are a different color now. So yeah, that's really pretty. I think it looks like really natural, almost like a really like natural type of like pinky tone to your lips. So I'm gonna be interested to see if it changes color throughout this process of putting on the rest of my makeup. And this lip balm goes for $3.99 on the website. I'm not reading off all the colors that I'm getting and everything. I will put the colors of everything that I get in the description below, so if you guys want to check them out, you can do it that way. So the next product I'm going to be trying out by them, you guys, is this glitter eyeshadow cream. And I chose these colors because I think silver and gold go really well together, and I'm not really sure how these are going to work. I have my doubts, just because I've never been a big fan of gel eyeshadows, but I would be really excited if I could find one that works very well. These come in 12 different colors on the website, and these go for $4.99 on the website. So if it does work good, that's awesome. It's very affordable. I have also seen on the website where they have pictures of some people who have done like looks with the glitter like all over their eye. But for today's video, I'm just going to do a normal eyeshadow look. So I'm going to start with the gold, and I think I'm going to start with the gold on my eyelid and then go in like the inner like corners of my eyes with the silver to like make my eyes pop. So let's see how that turns out. It's very glittery, but it doesn't seem very pigmented, and it's very hard to like break up. Like I have to put like a big kind of like gooey piece on my finger. Let's see if this improves. Yeah, it's like very gooey. Don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it's not spreading quite right. I don't know if I don't think I'm a fan. I don't know. Let's just keep going. Okay guys, I've been playing with it for a few minutes and I think this is as good as it's gonna get. I just don't think it's very spreadable, but I'm gonna go in with this like silvery white one and see if maybe we can save it a little bit. And the silverish white one or whatever seems like it's not as gooey and that it has more pigmentation than the gold one, from at least on my finger. So let's just see. feel like it's, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I didn't stick with my original plan of putting it in the inner corners because that will be really hard to fix if it doesn't come out right. So I'm just kind of applying a light layer on top of what I already did to kind of just make it look more pigmented. I said it's not very pigmented, but that's not what I meant, I guess, because obviously it is. I mean, it's super shimmery. It's just not as spreadable, so it's like patchy going on, so you really gotta work it. But also, you know, guys, I'm not a beauty guru, so maybe I'm not applying this right. I never really use gel eyeshadow, so maybe I'm doing it wrong. But I will say that, you know, the pigmentation is really good, especially in person. It's super, super glittery. I just had trouble blending it into my eyeshadow that I'd put on prior because I was trying to just do this like blend type of look. I don't know, and it didn't come out how I envisioned it. But I will say, like I said, it's very pigmented and it does stay on my eyes very, very well. Once it's on, it's like not moving at all. So in my opinion, at least for my own personal use, I would say these are a really good buy for a really good price. Like if you're going to like maybe like a music festival or for like Halloween, and doing some like really extravagant like glittery makeup, because it's so gooey, it does stay on really well. So if you were doing like this like festival or Halloween makeup look where you needed to like do like, you know, glitter around your eyes or just something really dramatic, then I think it would be really good. But for me personally, this is not something I would use on the day-to-day for like a normal everyday makeup look, or probably not even a glam look, just because it was really hard for me to spread evenly like I wanted to. So I'm gonna go put on some mascara real quick before I try out the next product, so that the look can kind of come together a little bit more. So I'll be right back. So the next product that I'm gonna try out from them is the one that I was actually the most excited to try. So it's a really cool looking rainbow shimmer highlight palette. So it has a bunch of different colors in it. They have a bunch of different colors on their website. I guess you're supposed to choose the one that's like closest to your skin tone. I think that looks closest to my skin tone. I don't know. But I've always wanted to try a rainbow palette. Let me swatch it on my fingers and see. Not bad. If you guys can see that. This goes for $3.99 on the website. So if it actually works, then I'd say that's a really, really great price for a highlighter. So let's go ahead and apply this. I don't really see much color payoff on the brush though, but let's see how it goes on the face. I mean, is it supposed to go on like a rainbow, or does it just look like that in the palette for funsies? I don't know. Because I see no rainbow action on my face, which is what I wanted. But I mean, it still works like as a basic like highlight though, right? Okay, so this product so far is probably the one I'm most disappointed in. Not because it doesn't work. I mean, if you guys can see, like, it does give me this like beautiful natural, well, not natural, nobody shimmers and glows naturally, but you know what I mean. It does have a good pigmentation and a good glow. But on the website, from the pictures, it looks like it's supposed to be like this kind of like what's the word? Is holographic the word I'm thinking of? I'm not sure, but like purpley type neon, I don't know, type glow, and I'm not getting that. I'm just getting a little bit of gold, which is fine, but a little disappointing because I guess of what my expectations were. But I mean, I've gotten highlights. I think I got a highlighter from them before, and just like that one, it works good. So if you don't want to go out and spend like 30-40 bucks on a highlighter, then yeah, I mean, the pigmentation is really pretty. It's just not gonna look, at least with my experience, it's not gonna look like an actual rainbow. So yeah, you make the decision on that one. So I'm gonna try out one more product, which is the Shimmer Matte Lipstick, and I believe I got this one in the color Amethyst. But before we get into that, I've been wearing the lip balm for about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so while I've been applying my other makeup. I don't feel like it's changed color, but that could be also too because my body temperature hasn't changed, so I'm not sure. But I would say that I like this one, especially for the price. So like I said, this is a matte shimmer lipstick, and I got like a really bold, like purpley color because I wanted to kind of go out of my comfort zone and try something like that. This is like way deeper purple than the last video I did on my channel, and this goes for $1.69 on my channel, and I was actually really impressed. I was trying to figure out how to open it right now. So you actually have to press, there's a button right here, so you press it and it like shoots it out. So that's actually pretty cool. So as you guys can see, it's just like really, really pretty, like deep purple, almost black. And that's why I got it, because I've always wanted to try to wear a color like this, but I've always been too afraid because it's out of my comfort zone. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this on and see how we like it. It almost looks black on camera. It looks more purpley metallic in person. I would say this is definitely a lipstick that you would maybe need to get like a lip liner first and apply that first as a base. I don't have a lip liner that matches this lip color, otherwise I would have tried that. But I mean, for the most part, it's a really pretty like deep metallic type of color. But I don't think you can tell on camera, maybe you can. Maybe I just can't see it in the viewfinder, but I do feel like there is a little bit of patchiness. Maybe I'm just not loving this entire look together because I don't really like the way my eyes came out. And sorry, I keep looking away, I'm looking at the viewfinder. But I kind of just feel like this is kind of like Halloween, like dress up type of makeup, like costume makeup. So, but I do like the lip color itself, and I think if I paired it with a different type of eye look, it would look a lot better. But right now I feel like it just looks like really too dark on my face and almost like it washes out my face. So it's not my favorite. That was the last product that I had to review for you guys today. And I would say that this was kind of a miss for me. I have reviewed some of their products in the past. Is there lipstick on my teeth? Hope not. If there is, I'm sorry. I have reviewed some of their products in the past, and I was actually really impressed. And the makeup look that I had did in my last video, the first time I had reviewed their products, actually came out really beautiful. I will go ahead and link that on either side, I'm not really sure, but I'll go ahead and link that video and put it in the description below if you want to see that video. So I do know that this company has great products, and again, these ones weren't horrible. None of them were like my absolute favorite, but I would say that out of the 5 products that I tried, my favorite was probably the highlighter, even though it didn't turn out rainbowy. Like I said, it's still decently priced, and it still has a really pretty like glowing effect. So if you're looking for something affordable, then I would definitely recommend it. And I would say my second favorite would probably be the lip product. Like I said, I think it just needs a lip liner underneath. Alright guys, that is all I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. As always, I will link everything I used today down in the description below, along with my discount code that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. So if you want to check out the products, you can get 10% off with my code. I don't get anything from it, no commission. It's just something that they provided me for you guys to use. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comment below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!